So guys, today let's talk about how you can recover your money. Like somebody forcefully took away your belongings, maybe your land, and you know fully well that land is your own, but you don't want to go into diabolical way. You don't want to report the person to the shrine. You want to do it in a natural way that will not harm the person that is owing you. This video is for you. But before I dive into this video, guys, if today is the first time of seeing my face, you're highly welcome. My name is Ano Amaka. Here in this channel we teach about spirituality, how you can use some natural things to solve some of your spiritual problems by special grace of God. So please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on your notification bell on so that whenever I drop a new video like this, you will get notification. Okay, now if somebody is owing you and the person refuses to pay you, and you don't want to go into diabolical way, you don't want to bother your mind, or you don't want to do anything that will affect the person, you want the person to pay the money genuinely with a beg, all you have to do is to get this item for me. Please get a coconut. Okay, get coconut. If you are living outside Nigeria, get coconut. Any type of coconut works very well, but if you're in Nigeria, get coconut that have not touched the ground. Very important. For those of you who are living in Nigeria, you can get this. It's not difficult. Okay, so just one coconut is okay for you to do whatever that you want to do. All right, so all you have to do is to kindly, when you get the coconut, all you have to do is to pray over the coconut. You can decide to do the prayer 6 to 12 concerning that particular thing, that particular burden or worries concerning the person that is owing you. Of course, that thing belongs to you, is your own, you know fully well. But if you are dragging a land with somebody, you know that this land, you know that this land is meaning that this land is not for you, it's not for the person. You don't need to do this, please. You know that the land, it is not your own, and it's not the person's own. You don't need to do this because it's not going to work for you. This particular thing work for people that person forcefully collected what you know that is rightfully belong to you. You know that yes, this thing is my property. Everybody know that this is your property. That is where this particular thing will work. So you have to make this prayer 3 days, 6 to 12. Using the person's name. After making that prayer, get that coconut. Now you are going to be using it to be playing ball for 3 days. Every morning after making your morning devotion, when you wake up, get that coconut, pray over it, put it on the ground. You need to be playing as if you are playing football. Use your right leg to do this. Use your right leg to do it. When you are doing this, keep on mentioning the person's name. Keep on telling him to bring what is rightfully yours, that this particular item belongs to you. That you cannot label for free, and you cannot label in vain. This thing belongs to you, and you know it. Bring my thing. Bring my land. If the name of the person is okay, say okay, bring my land. I command you. You're going to be doing this thing every morning for 3 days, and after before 3 days, you gotta, like, the person will start calling you on the phone. If the person is not closer to you, the person will start calling you, oh, come and take your Tino. That is not a joking matter. It's very serious, and it works perfectly well. But I must warn, if you must do this, please, you must have to, believe that what you are doing is going to work for you. You don't need to do it with two hearts, or maybe doubting hearts. When you do it with doubting heart, I'm sorry, it is not going to work for you. But you have to do it with your belief, and trust me, it's going to work for you. If you are not in Nigeria, use any coconut of your choice. If you are in Nigeria, get the one that have not touched the ground. That is the one that you should use. Okay, so whichever one that you find, they are all perfect. But the most important thing is the zeal, your prayer, and the mindset in which you use in making that prayer. And you know that yes, this thing actually belongs to you, Maniru Chuku Maniru Mama, before God and man, that this thing belongs to you, then you can go ahead and do it. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, and if you want to reach me out, what you have to do is send me an email at famsion@gmail.com. okay, see you on my next video. I'm going to drop the email on the screen. Okay, see you on my next video, guys. Do have a wonderful and lovely day. I love you all. Bye.